Hey everyone, welcome to my another video. Today in this video I will show you step by step how to visualize a product in Blender. We're gonna do lighting setup, create some simple environment, all the way to clean final render ready for your portfolio. So grab your coffee, open up your Blender, and let's get started. First thing to do, you need a product like this. You can check out my other video if you wanted to know how I create this product. Then let's set up our workspace here. Just move over here, click and drag to add another window, then press Shift A, add a camera here, go to the right view, put your camera here, and at this window change it to the camera view, move it back here, adjust the position somewhere around here. I'm gonna change the resolution here at the output property. I'm gonna change it to 1440 and this one 2000. Press Shift A, mesh, add a plane, S to scale it up like this. Tap to the edit mode, change here to the edge mode here. Select this edge, press E to extrude on the Z axis up here. It's for the background. Then let's create another object. Press Shift A, mesh, add a plane, press RX 90 degree, just like this. Tap to the edit mode, go to front view, press GZ, press 1, move it like this. Select this edge, press GZ, put it somewhere here. Press A to select everything, press S to scale it, X, scale it on X axis only. Just like this. Then change to the vertices mode, press Shift Ctrl B, bevel it, like this, increase the segment, I'm using like 15 segment here, we need a little bit vertices here. Then press A to select everything, E to extrude, extrude on the Z axis. Extrude it like this, just like this. It's gonna be our mirror. Back to the object mode. Then let's put it back on the Y axis like this. Then we can go to the right view, press R to rotate and put it like this. At this window, the camera view, let's move over here. Then we can change the viewport shading here to the render preview. For now, let's disable the scene light and the scene work. For this object, let's name this mirror. Then this one, let's name it background. Okay, at this window, we can press Ctrl B, click and drag like this, so it only preview the camera view. We can also disable the overlay and the gizmo here, so we can see this clearly. Next, let's adjust the camera. I'm going to the right view here. Press dot on your keyboard to change the pivot point. I'm gonna change it to 3D cursor here. And press R to rotate. I'm gonna rotate like this. Just a little bit. Okay, and I'm going to the top view. Then press R to rotate again. I guess just something like this. Then the background here, you can press SX, scale it on the X axis, like this. Select your camera again, go to the object data property here, Shift X here, we can change here, to make our object right on the middle. I guess something like this. Then I'm gonna do some little bit adjustment here, click and drag like this. Change here to the shader editor. I'm gonna change the color of the cups here, make it much more dark. And the liquid here, I'm gonna make it more lighter. Okay, let's create the material for the mirror here. New material, let's name this one mirror. Then roughness here, let's make it 0.01. And IOR here, let's make it 100. That's all. You create a mirror. But I'm gonna do some imperfection. Press Shift A, search for noise texture, put noise texture here. You can press Ctrl T, but if you can do this, let me undo this first. Just go to the edit, preference, other add-ons here, just type node wrangle, enable this node wrangle, save your preference, close this window, then add your noise texture here, press Ctrl T. It will automatically add a texture coordinate and mapping. You can press Shift Ctrl and click add your noise texture, so we can see the preview of the noise texture here. I'm gonna connect object here to the vector, then I'm gonna reduce the scale here by 1. Let's press Shift A, search for color ramp. Let's put it here, then we can adjust the effect of the noise here with our color ramp, like this maybe. I'm gonna reduce the scale maybe by 0.5. Change linear here to B-spline. Maybe something like this. Let's connect the color to roundness here and BSDF here to the surface. We can press slash here and change here to the material preview so we can see it clearly. Let's reduce this one. Okay, I like this one. Press slash again. Let's back to the render preview. And for the background here, new material, I'm just gonna change the color to make it a little bit yellow here. And that's all for the background. Name this one background. Let's set up the light. Go over here. Then press Shift A, add a light, area light, press GZ, move it up here. On the object data property here, I'm gonna change the power to 1000, just like this, and the size here maybe 5. Shift D to duplicate this area light. Then let's hide one of it. And this one, go to the right view, press R to rotate like this. Then go to the top view, press R to rotate again. I guess somewhere around here. Then object data property here, I'm gonna change the beam spread here to 40%. Press G, Z twice, move it back, then change the sizes to 1. Then let's bring back another light. And for my render setup, I'm using cycle here. At the device here, I'm only using CPU, but if you have a graphic card, just use a GPU, it's much more better. Noise threshold here, I'm just gonna use 0.1. And max sample here, I'm just using 13. I'm just gonna use low sample because it's not for a client, only for the training here. You can bring your label back. I'm gonna adjust my label here. Scale it like this, put it up here. Then I'm gonna delete. Okay, then press Ctrl R here, Ctrl B, be able to add a support here, just like this. Then select your camera. We're gonna do some depth of field. It will give you a professional look. Object data property here, enable the depth of field, click this eyedrop, and I'm gonna focus on the label here. It's pretty hard to see the depth of field here. We can change here to the solid mode, click here and enable depth of field. Let's zoom in, then we can adjust here. You can see the difference. We can also change here to the material preview. It's a little bit blurry here, or let's just press Shift A. Ada empty, I'm gonna use empty sphere here. Then name this one focus. Select your camera, focus on object here, change it to focus. Okay, f-stop here, let's make it 0.1. Select your focus here, the empty object, then let's adjust it. Okay, it looks pretty good. Don't forget to save your project, then we can go render your picture. Let's minimize this one. Go to the compositing here. Let's use node, press shift control and click at your render layer here. Let's move it here. Open another window. Change this to the image editor, and over here change it to viewer node. We can disable this backdrop. Press N here. Okay. Then Shift A, search for glare. Put here, connect image to image here. At your glare node, strike here, I'm gonna change it to fog glow. Then we can adjust the strength here. Size of glare. I guess just something like this. Anything else you can do, Shift A. Let's set a color balance. Put here. Connect image to composite here. I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. Then you can change here. Okay. And that's it guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you on my next tutorial. Thank you.